What's up YouTube? Welcome back to How To Nuts. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the Carrick Bend, which is how to tie two ropes together. And under a heavy load, you can still untie this one, so it's a pretty useful one. Let's jump straight into the tutorial. So tying the Carrick Bend is really easy. One thing to note is just to make sure to use two ropes of similar diameter. We're going to start with our bottom rope here, and we're just going to make a loop, okay? We're going to go underneath here, just like that. All right, easy peasy. Second thing we're going to do is take our top rope and go underneath, all right? And now the trick is just going over, under, and I think over. So we're just going to follow the same pattern of going over and under and then just repeat. So we're going to take this working end here, we're going to go over, and then like I said, we're going to go under, and then we're going to go over, and then again we're going to go under, and then we're going to go over. Okay, that's it. So I'll do that again for you. So we have our rope here, we can make our loop. Okay, we're going to take this one, put it behind, and then start the over under. So we're going to go over this, okay, under, then we're going to go over, under, and over again. Okay, we're going to pull those working ends a bit, then pull our standing ends a bit, tighten it up, pull the working ends a bit, and then what I'm going to do is give those a good pull, and then really give a good pull to the standing end there. Okay, and there we have it. There is our Carrick Bend. To untie, simply, just like a lot of the butterfly knots, you're going to take the little hitches or little loops there. You're going to bend them backwards, kind of. So you're going to bend them backwards, and that kind of releases the working ends there to pull them through. If you like this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.